Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain FastAPI Async versus Sync. We'll dive into the core concepts of asynchronous and synchronous operations, exploring how each impacts your application's performance and responsiveness. You'll learn when to leverage the power of non-blocking I/O with async and await, and when a straightforward synchronous approach is more suitable. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to make informed decisions for building efficient and scalable fast API services, ensuring your application handles many requests smoothly. Synchronous operations in fast API are quite straightforward. Imagine a single line of people waiting for a single cashier. Each person is served completely before the next one steps up. In code, this means a function will block the execution of other tasks until it finishes its work. This model is excellent for tasks that are CPU-bound, like complex data processing or image manipulation, where the main bottleneck is the processor itself. It's also often easier to reason about and implement for many common scenarios. Asynchronous operations, on the other hand, are designed for efficiency when dealing with I/O-bound tasks. Think of a restaurant with many waiters handling multiple tables simultaneously. While one table waits for their food, the waiter can take orders from another. In FastAPI, async and await enable your application to initiate a task, like fetching data from a database, and then move on to other work instead of waiting idly. This non-blocking nature allows your server to handle hundreds or even thousands of requests per second more effectively. Deciding between async and sync ultimately depends on your specific use case. For tasks that are primarily CPU-bound, like heavy calculations, synchronous functions are often the best choice due to their simplicity and direct execution. However, for I/O-bound operations, such as making many database calls or interacting with external services, asynchronous functions will provide superior performance and responsiveness, allowing your application to serve many more users concurrently. Always consider your application's bottlenecks and test both approaches to find the optimal solution for your unique needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.